In this video, I'm going to review the basics of using a long tail cast-on method to begin a simple project. I have one needle, which is in my right hand, and I have my yarn right here. To estimate how much yarn you need for your tail for a long tail cast-on, we generally will wrap one time around the needle for each stitch in our number of stitches cast on. So if we're casting on 30 stitches, we might wrap around our needle 30 times, or we would approximate about an inch per stitch. So 30 inches would be an appropriate amount of yarn to have for your tail. Once you've got your yarn measured for the tail, we're going to put a simple slip knot here and place the needle through the slip knot. I have my working yarn away from me and the tail towards me. I'm going to put 2 fingers between the strands hanging down from the needle, grasp below and open up my fingers into the shape of the letter L. I drop my needle across my palm so that it makes an X on my thumb. The needle goes up through the X. I grab the yarn from my index finger and pull it down and through. Take my thumb out of the loop, tighten the stitch, and repeat. There's the X. I go up, scoop, down and out, tighten it up. I'm making the stitches on the barrel of the needle, not on the point, so that they are the correct size and they're evenly distributed on the needle. This is a very good cast on for all sorts of projects. It's versatile, it's useful, it's pretty stretchy. You can use it as the bottom edge of a sweater, the beginning of a scarf, or even to start a sock. It puts a full stitch on the needle. The long tail cast on is easy to do once you get the hang of it. Sometimes it takes a little bit of practice. Good luck with your knitting.